Hello guys, in this video I am showing you different nail paint designs for the event of Christmas and winter fall seasons. Wow, what a beautiful nail paint design for the event of winter fall. Wow, looks an amazing dark color nail paint design. Cartoon shaped nail paint designs. Nail paint give an excellent beauty to our nails in very crowd. People are very admired by our nail paint designs. Wow, what a beautiful nail paint designs. Red, beautiful color nail paint design. Heart shaped nail paint designs. Wow, it's an amazing like an Halloween nail paint designs. Wow, pumpkin nail paint designs. Amazing. It's an Christmas like shape nail paint design. White and red nail paint designs for the event of like Halloween. It's an like winter fall nail paint designs. Wow, it's an amazing winter fall nail paint designs. It's an beautiful Christmas event nail paint designs. It's an again beautiful nail paint designs. Wow, different Halloween and Christmas nail paint designs. It's amazing. If you guys want to look beautiful, then you have to adopt and beautiful nail paint ideas for your daily routine. Wow, beautiful nail paint. In this video, I am showing you different nail paint ideas for the event of Halloween, Christmas, and winter fall. Hope you guys like my video and